Now let's talk about the shader itself. Uh, I do this for the first time, so I'm not sure how to make it better. So I will try to explain one by one these variables here and how to use it, which means which one what means and how to use it in the proper way. So we in the beginning we have base style X and base style Y. This is based on the UV texture map. If we make this number larger, as you can see, we have in the X direction more tense of the base color variation. Same with the tile, by the way, we have this kind of tile. With these two parameters we control the base color of the river material. For now I will put this off. Base color wave speed, as you can understand, this is the speed of the base color under the emissive white waves. If I make it faster, the base color move faster. If the number is slower, move slower, and if we like to change direction of the water, we can just add one minus before the number. This will change direction of the base color. Okay, let me see now. This bend mean that just a second, it's nothing happened. Why? Just let me check why this is not working. Just a second, please. So yes, um, the waves of the river is created by one spherical mask that I use here, and sphere mask location, and this bend is how much is bended this sphere here. So if I turn this, let me show you, if I turn this to 0, we have no bend. If we turn this to 15, for example, we have very dense bend. So, or minus 50 is the same. So I find that with the minus 9 is best for our river, but you can change it here whatever you want. I will put this here also as minus 9. Okay, we have distort of the waves. This is very easy to see the effect of the distortion. If the distortion is less, the waves are straight. If we want to make more curvy, we need to put a larger number to this distort. I like to work with this kind of distort about 0 0.3, 0.5. But you see, you can change distortion of the waves from here. Next one, these two parameters. From these two parameters depends the brightness of the emissive. With more glow is more shiny waves, less glow, less shiny waves, without shininess, and even as you can see. uh, we killing the shining effect when we go under the zero, but in some cases maybe this is a better solution for the waves. I will turn back this value of 1. We can multiply this glow, as you can see, to make and yes, actually from here you can turn off the waves and you can make it more brighter and more larger. See, this is 0, and under the 0 there is nothing. Okay, let me back this value to, oh no, okay. This is a new one, opacity. This is opacity of the base color. uh, as as I say, we have transparency based on the depth, but we have also this opacity of the base color, which mean that I can make the base color visible or invisible. We can make more less transparent the whole river with this parameter. Okay, I will put it on the 0.1. I like this value. This is new parameter. I will explain. Mm, will be a bit harder for me to explain exactly what these do. That's because of this I have no name still for this parameter. But this parameter is connected with the prismatic shader effect. I mean that not just with the prismatic shader, but with all objects that have some interaction with the water. I mean borders or rocks or something like this. We now here we have no this one, but to show you what I mean, I will go here. So I hope that here we we can see the effect. So let's move this parameter. You see, we have no foam over the close to the border, or we have a lot of foam, and even on the both sides of the river. If you have some idea how to name it, this parameter, please tell me. For now I just leave like param. You see, this is for the foam. Okay, next one, power. What this power mean? Because there's a few months till I make this shader, some of this parameter I can remember clearly what makes, and I need to check it before talk about. So yes, this power is the power uh, of the waves. We can make it thinner or we can make it larger with with this power. Maybe maybe I need to change this power of glow to come here under the glow effect, but for now it's here. As you can see, this is the power of the glowing effect. Let's make this power a little bit harder, and now come on. Yes, power of glow. Make our waves more shiny, more sunny. Radius, this is radius of the sphere, of the sphere mask that create the waves. For now is you can see it here, radius, just a second, here, radius. This is our mask, sphere mask. Location, this is sphere mask itself, and we have outputted radius. Now if this is 10, you can see the sphere is much larger, and here is like this. This is other value. We can play with this radius. Let me show you. Okay, I like to show you here. This is minus 18. I will put it on the, but we need minus. Yes. So this is radius. This SS, I can remember what's mean. I must find it. I suppose that this is some subsurface because of the name it SS. If this is subsurface, but it's not. Strange. Here. Oh yes, this is amount of blur of our normal. Let me see here. This. No, it's not possible here. I hope that we can see it here, the effect. Because I like to have a small normal over the ripples over the surface of the water, and this must depends from here, but I can see the normal. Maybe I must change the map I use because there is no normal. I will check this. Okay, SS. And just a second. Okay, this parameter is something that comes with the Prismatica sample water, and I don't really understand what this make. So for now, let we don't need to deal with this for now. I will investigate more and we'll know how to work with this parameter. Okay, this tile parameter is tiling in the x direction of distortion of the waves. As you can see, if the number is harder, the wave is more distorted. And now we have a straight line, almost straight line. So this is parameter for the distortion of the waves also. We have here this distortion, but this distortion is in the y direction, and this one is in the x direction. we have wave speed. This wave speed is the speed of our waves, not the base color, just the waves. Base color is the is moving dependently of this. We can even change direction. I think yes, we can change direction of the waves from here. If the river flow is in this direction, we can use the minus before our wave speed. I will put this again. Okay, and here we have global texture parameter masks. This is the mask I use for now. We can change it anytime. These masks are for the, as you can see here, for the base color of the shader. I think maybe I must give name to all masks to be more clear what mask we're working. Uh, mask. I have okay. This is mask 1 and mask 2. They are the same as this one here. I think no, it's not. Give me a second. Um, so I find that with the mask is a bit strange because this mask one uh, is part from the emissive color, but this mask participate in different equation, as you can see. Uh, so we have these two masks that are part for the from the emissive color. Also, this one is a part of the no. This one is a part of our foam. We have this two normal maps. We can change it, and this is distortion mask. We can change distortion of the wave by using different mask. I hope that when someone start working with this material, we'll see some weakness or we'll have idea for better distribution of some things, and I will like to have feedback to make this shader better, but I'm pretty sure that for now will work good for our game. We can change, as you can see, base color here, uh, sphere mask location. We can change it also. This means that this sphere that I put it to make waves, we can change location with the with new map, new mask. I'm sorry. Mhm. We can see it here. Maybe it's not working proper, but maybe we don't need to change the position. So I will leave this for now. This is very interesting and complicated for me. Something water absorption. Uh, this is way to colorize the water without using concrete color, but using the colors that needs to be absorbed by the water. And as I see in the Prismatica tutorials, this color is the color that needs to be absorbed by the shader to have blue color. Is the strange for me. I never see this before. but it's work good. It's work really good. Um, Actually, this node system is something that give us this depth transparency. Uh, More depth, more is means more observation of this color, as I understand. Maybe I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, please tell me to know what happened here. But this is the way I understand what this node group means. So we have this absorption. I will try to change the color here. No, we can see the effect here, but we can see it here. When I change the color absorption to some value, you can see that depth transparency have a different color. If I put it here, 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 see? Okay, cancel. I would like to back this color again to something like skin orange or something like this. Basically, mm, this is not for us, but yes, basically this is the shader with the base understanding of what how work this all these parameters. Maybe I was not really clear, and I'm sorry if you can understand me. But if you have any question, I'm ready to write in the good way answers of everything. Also, if someone will work with this shader in the future, I'm here to help and to explain and to make any changes you want in the shader or in the blueprint that create the river. So for now, I think that this is enough to start working with the shader. Um, yes. Uh, and another thing, I would like to talk a little bit about the how I create this river, because this river here is created with the landscape spline management with here with the manage spline. I create this spline here with this tool in the landscape. um, After this I create one BP, one blueprint that I hope then that will work with our river and will easier to work with this, but it's not as I expected, because everything work fine and it's easy. Instead of using landscape spline, we can use it this blueprint river spline IH, sorry, and this is the easier way to create the spline for the river. We need to just to extrude the last point in direction we want, and everything will work. As you see, we keeping the flow of the river, but we lose something very by me very important thing. This is the foam here. I will try to show you. If I put this here, you can see, as you can see, just a second, we lose the foam. We have no proper foam here. I I work to find a way to fix this and to have the same foam. Let me show you better. Same foam like this, to have it on this BP but for some reason, as you can see, in this BP I have no foam, I have no interaction with the other objects, and still have no solution for this problem. So I choose to not use this BP here for all river, but sorry. Mhm. But to create river with the landscape, manage spline landscape. If you need to show you how to make the river with this plane, I will make another video. It's easy, it's not so hard, but it's more easier to make it with blueprint. So I will work over this blueprint because I like to have it with the foam and with everything. And to in the future, I hope that we can create the river only with this. Come on. Uh-huh, I see. I'm here. Only with this blueprint. Fast and easy, I hope. Because this is more clear way to create river, as you see. Just need to extrude, nothing more. But here we need to have a spline, to create a spline from here. Then we need to attach to the spline of the geometry. We need to be surface of the water, and so it's not hard to do it, but this way I like it more, and we'll work to finish it in the future. Mm. So this is the shader. I really hope that you can understand me, no matter of my bad English. If you have any question, I will explain what what is needing. So for now, have a nice day.